Tell me those don't look good. Come on. Rosemary, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil. Hello and welcome to Ben's Ramblings. We're gonna try a new recipe today. It is some chicken wings that we're gonna finish in the Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven. We're gonna marinate them overnight, put them in sous vide for 2 hours, cook out most of the fat, and then crisp them up in the pizza oven. These are a recipe that's from Anthony's Coal-Fired Pizza. If you're not familiar, it's a chain of about 60 coal-fired pizza oven restaurants. They started in Florida. They're, I think, mostly on the East Coast. They do these fantastic wings in their coal-fired oven. Very simple. I've got about 3 pounds of wings here. We'll mix all the ingredients up, put them in with the wings, put those in a Ziploc, and we'll let them marinate overnight. And then we'll sous vide them about 2 hours before they're gonna go in the uni. I'll have exact measurements in the description below. I've got about 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. This is rough chopped fresh parsley. About 2 tablespoons of rosemary. The cloves of 1 head of garlic. Juice of 1 lemon. About 1/3 cup of olive oil. We'll see how this looks. Do a little more olive oil. All right, we'll add those to our 3 pounds of wings, or add all that to our 3 pounds of wings. We're going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. And we're just going to mix them all together. I want to make sure the wings are all covered. It smells great with the lemon juice, the fresh parsley, the fresh rosemary. You could use dried rosemary, but I would definitely use fresh parsley. Everything is stirred around well. These are party wings, so they're already separated into drumsticks and the wingettes. And we are just going to put these into our Ziploc bag. I'll fold the bag over inside out a little bit so we don't get the Ziploc itself all filled up with stuff from the marinade and the chicken. And we'll put our wings right in here. All right. Get most of the air out there. I'll take these and flip them around a couple times, make sure that everything is nicely evenly marinated. And again, tomorrow I will take them. I'm going to take the garlic out, put them in the sous vide for 2 hours, and then we will put them on the grizzler plate for the uni and put them in the uni oven to crisp them up. See you in a little bit. The wings marinated overnight. I know I said I was going to take the garlic out, but I did some reading, and this is a short cook. It's less than 2 hours. It's at 160 degrees. The garlic should be fine for this short cook. I'm going to take these chicken wings. I'm going to put them in the sous vide. I've already got it set up over here, and we're going to let them go for 2 hours. Then we'll take them out, and we'll put them in. That's it. I'm just going to leave them like that. I'm going to leave my tongs right here just to kind of keep them down under the water, and we'll see you in 2 hours. It's been a little over 2 hours. I took the wings out of the sous vide and just ran them under some cold water in the bag just to cool them off and stop the cooking. I've got the uni set up right there, and there's our wings in the bag. I have the grizzler plate in the uni. I'll double check the temperature. It's on high. The middle of that plate is about 800 degrees, which is perfect. I'm gonna pull it out. We'll put it right there on the tray that's made for it. Let's see, can you see that there? Yeah, right there. And I am gonna put our wings right on there. All right. Now I'm gonna put that grizzler right back in the oven. Now I'm leaving it towards this front edge. We'll see how this goes. We're gonna have to keep a close eye on it. Leave it right there. I'm actually gonna turn the heat down because I don't think this is gonna take long at all. Well, we'll turn it right back up. Let that fire get to them. I'm just going to pull them a little further away from the flame in the back. Oh, that's no good. See how these look? Oh, those look good. Just double check if they need to be turned one more time. All right, one more time. This should be the final cook. I'm gonna slide them over to the left a little and get this left corner. All right. Tell me those don't look good. All right, they're all done. Those look pretty good. Give them one a try in a few minutes. Got to let them cool down a little bit. I've got a few wings here. The rest are inside. We have some company over. Things I learned. This is the first time I did wings in the Ooni. Even though I sous vide them and I thought that would cook out a lot of the fat, there is grease everywhere. I'll take some photos. I'll show you what a mess it made. Be aware that you are going to have a ton of grease. Now, one thing that may mitigate some of that is if I had a deeper pan. The grizzler plate is only about a 1/4 of an inch lip around the edge. If I had done these in a cast iron pan, a frying pan, you know, with like a 1.5 or 2 inch lip, the grease may not have spread as far and wide. I'm sure you'd still have some, but you know, It's a mess. Come on, tell me those don't look fantastic. Rosemary, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil. Let's give them a try. Oh my God. Get a little bit of that lemon, parsley and rosemary. These are fantastic. These are great in the uni, but you could totally do these in the regular oven. 20 to 25 minutes, 475, and they'll be done. You know, your oven will probably be a big greasy mess, but if you do wings all the time, you're used to that. These are fantastic. Give them a try. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of more uni videos and my other cooking videos I do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.